Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have Safari open, so start by opening the preferences on Mac or settings on iPhone, then go straight to Clear History. Choose the time range you need, last hour, today, or all history, because that defines what gets removed. Once done, understand this clears history, cookies, and cached data for the selected range. If you want to keep logins, sign out of accounts first or backup passwords in iCloud Keychain so you don't lose saved credentials. After confirming Clear History, move on to website data in Safari Preferences or Settings. This lets you remove cookies and cached files selectively. Make sure synced devices won't reintroduce history. Open Safari on other devices and close matching tabs or sign out of iCloud temporarily. Once complete, review the history list to confirm items are gone and clear any remaining site-specific data for stubborn entries. This two-step approach, finish by quitting Safari and reopening it to verify history, shows empty for the chosen range. Then sign back into iCloud if you disabled it. If some history reappears, disable Safari iCloud Sync and repeat the clear process to prevent restoration from another device. If entries still persist, enable the Develop menu on Mac and use empty caches, or reinstall Safari via System Update. One key troubleshooting tip: ensure third-party cleaning apps aren't restoring data automatically. Disable
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.